Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. To do that, first thing is open the Moonpay application that you have downloaded, and then you need to get logged in into the account. You can log in into the Moonpay account of yours through Google or email address. You choose a process and then get logged in. Now once you are logged in and you're at the home page, what you need to do is you need to tap upon the Bitcoin option on top. Then there you will have the option to buy Bitcoin. You tap on that. Here you need to enter the amount in BTC or a fiat currency that you wish to purchase. So there's 200, 300, 500, 1000. You can either put the amount that you want from here. Once that's done, then tap on continue. Now there's two ways how you can do this. You can use a existing wallet or you can use your Moonpay account. You can buy Bitcoin with a credit card or your preferred payment method. If you tap an option use an existing wallet, you will have the wallet that you have connected with this particular application from where you can buy Bitcoin. But if you choose the option use your Moonpay account, tap that, you will be able to continue the process for buying the Bitcoin from here. Tap on continue, and it will begin the process in the Chrome where you can buy the Bitcoin via bank card or manual bank transfer. You can use your MasterCard, Visa card, credit card for this process. So this is a way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Moonpay app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.